How to find archived chats settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find archived chats settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then just click these 3 points in the top, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then just click chats, and here scroll down, and as you see here you will find it archived chats, and now you can manage here anything you want and then just go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.